Hi, welcome to Bulla Community version. This is a point of sale and inventory management system that you can use to manage your business, manage your stock, check your income, and have information about your sales, your expenses, and make profits out of your business. So in this community version, we are offering you free for life software. So you just need to go to this link here, pos.bulla.africa. Then you'll get a page like this. For you joining us, you'll click on create new account, and then here you can enter your business name. Say if my business is a bon restaurant, liquor stores, supermarkets and stuff. Then currently the community version supports East African countries, so you can select either country that you are in. So for me, I'll select Kenya and then put my number here. And then you'll have to put a valid email address here. For example, I just have mine. So here you'll be sent a confirmation link on this email, and also any other communication from Bulla Community, you'll get them into this email. So here you just create a completed password, whichever password that you choose, and then you click on register. So once you register, this will spin up your account. It will create for you a free account. Here we go, and then it will log you in into your application. So the next step, I'll be showing you how to use the point of sale. So see you on the next video. Thank you.